First, weigh your eggs and then take 1.5 times the weight of flour. Alternatively, use water or vegetable puree. Make a well in the centre and add the liquid. Using a fork, combine the liquid with the flour gradually, and when it gets too stiff, use your hands to pull everything together. The dough will have a rough texture. Knead for 5 to 10 minutes till it is soft and smooth. Wrap and place it in the fridge to rest for 30 to 60 minutes. For a more traditional method of making pasta, roll a long rope-shaped piece of dough. Cut it into pillow shapes using a bench scraper or a knife. Then take one piece of dough at a time and press it away from yourself using your thumb to flatten the dough. This shape is called gavatelli. You can also use a dough scraper to get a tighter roll, or even a knife. Alternatively, turn the curl inside out to create an orecchiette pasta shape. If you want to add ridges, use a gnocchi board, or if you haven't got one, use a sushi mat on a board. If you find rolling the dough into a rope shape hard, an alternative non-traditional method is to roll the dough to the thickness of a pound coin and then cut it into small squares. Each square can then be rolled in the same manner using your thumb or utensil. If you want to add different texture, you can try some household items, such as the fine side of your cheese grater. If you do not have a gnocchi board or sushi mat, try placing skewers onto a board and securing it with elastic bands. If you want ribbons of pasta, roll the dough out as thinly as possible. Flour the bottom half of the dough and fold it in half. Repeat across the same plane. Transfer to a board to cut on and decide if you want to make pappardelle or tagliatelle by how thinly you cut the ribbons. Immediately unravel the ribbons. Cook in a large pan of salted water for 4 to 8 minutes depending on the thickness of your pasta.